Bigger ones.
Doing peel of this orange because I want to eat the orange so. Hey, Bobby. Okay guys, ang dami na. Ayan na, mga nasa 5 kilos na yan. So, $10. Yeah. Okay. Di pa natin nalibot. Yan. This one. Kasing height ko lang kasi kaya tuwang-tuwa ako. O diba? Ka lang dyan. Ayan. Oh, dami guys. Di matapos-tapos tong pagbibideo ko. Natutuwa kasi ako. So, napakarami talagang orange. Actually, di ko to na-experience sa Pilipinas eh. Dito, libre ka lang mang-harvest. Pero babayaran mo yun. Walang entrance. Ganon. Ang daming tao. Alright, ito na yung na-harvest. Yan. Ito na. Babayaran namin yan mamaya. Look at this.
Oh. That's a big one. I'm picking fruit. Picking oranges.
Ayan. Basta kaupo lang pala dito. I'm just sitting here. Oh. Ayan, kasing tangkad ko lang yung orange. Ayan. Dami na mga orange. Harvest ka lang. $2 per kilo siya. Guys, a lot of oranges. So they said the bigger you pick, the sweetest it is. We are confused now where to pick that orange. They said I cannot climb on the trees. Oh, MJ.
Well, this part is getting a basket.